Bloody hell with those people who spoke about intolerance. Bloody hell with those people who fought for rape cases based on some religion. Bloody hell with those people who said India is no more safe, we want to shift. Where are those buggers now? This bloody Bollywood, they choose specific topic and fight for that, and they are nowhere when they are really required. Their community, when it is suffered, they are not supporting. And this girl, just because of her father who was in industry, she became a heroine who don't know who is the president of India. And itna gamandi hai, she could have asked to edit that portion, right? I don't know who is the president of India. You bloody asked that question to me and I bloody gave a wrong answer. Why can't you edit it? No, they are not doing that because this is page 3 business for them. And this bloody hell who interviewed that lady, he calls 2 young cricketers who don't know ABC of page 3. He almost messed up their life. Hardik Pandya and KL Rahul. I hope by now you know who was the one who interviewed them. And then this lady says, she don't know who is Sushant Singh Rajput. Really? Today she must be knowing. Because her trailer is out. We, the people of India, made her to know that we don't like her. More than 1 crore people we have disliked. I would like to create one more Google account and dislike it again because I am not yet into peace. This video is made for those parents who have their sons and daughters outside their home. This video is made for those siblings who have their brothers or sisters not residing with them. This video for those media who are just shouting. This video for those students who are learning Indian Constitution, CRPC, IPC and many other provisions. I am going to address many things. I usually speak my mind when I am doing a video in this channel because this is law for all. But today, I would like to speak out my heart. First, parents. Your daughter or your son is in love with someone and you don't like them and you just leave them. No, that's not your responsibility. Try understand with whom your son or daughter is in love. Why is that new lover is loving your son or daughter? Is it sheer love? Or they are loving because of the money that your son or daughter having, or the name and fame, or with any other vested interest? You have the responsibility to understand that. Because in love, maybe your son or daughter have missed their mind, but you have to take care of them because you are their parents. You are their family, and same applies for siblings also. Watch your brother or sister, what's happening in their life. And especially if you are the one who fallen into love, and if your partner is trying to take you away from your family, you need to be extra careful. Why are they doing it? What is the vested interest? What is that they want to get away from you? Be careful. You never know. It is love or it is a planned agenda. I hope Sushant Singh Rajput case has given a version. I want you to be careful. Then comes the media. I'm so happy today for Republic and its work done. Especially, I would like to take the name of Arnab Goswami. Today, many of the media people are trying to copy-paste Arnab Goswami. They want to copy only his method of shouting, not the journalism. This is a beautiful case which will set an example that media trial can give birth or give life to a case which is already almost shut. Media's job is that when legislature fails, when administration fails, when judiciary is not yet participating, it is media which has to play the important role. That is why we are calling you are the 4th part of Indian Constitution. You are not doing that. The Honorable Supreme Court of India now allowed CBI investigation via giving power to Bihar government. Now, what happens next? CBI investigates. I don't know. whether it is a suicide or murder or whatsoever. Now the prime question is, a person is dead, hanging. Before police arrived, he is brought down. There was no suicide note and lot of conspiracy. Lot of people are trying to not allowing CBI in this case. People who are involved in this case can travel anywhere and everywhere. That has been allowed. There are so many questions forming out of this particular case. The family which has lost Sushant Singh Rajput has the right to come to peace. When a person dies, we all agree over a period of time that yes, this person is no more. But if you have question on his death itself, you can never come to peace. Now, that is the responsibility of the CBI to give a shape to this case. Was it a suicide? Was there any connection between the suicide happened 2 days earlier? Was it a suicide? And why so many people are doing so much halla gulla, not allowing CBI and other stuff? All these questions need to be answered, at least for the sake of that family which has to come to peace with Sushant's death. Don't you think that is our responsibility to participate in this journey? I, being law student and the one who teach law, I am very happy that this particular hashtag CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput is a kind of success, and I congratulate Arnab Goswami and the entire team for their tremendous media job and media trial. I hope truth will come out. But in the meantime, I am very sad and unhappy for those people who always come with the agenda that there is that intolerance, and they come up with the selected rape cases and they are not safe in India, are now not talking. This is a lesson for you also, that how Bollywood behaves in India. Next time when you are watching a hero, remember that he is just an actor. He is just doing his bloody job. He is no good for anything else. Because none of them spoke. Your real big heroes on release day who earn crores and crores of money. You take any big name, biggest of the biggest names. They haven't done anything on this particular case. All they had to do was hashtag CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput. They have not done that. If they cannot do that much, they cannot do anything for you. And don't expect entertainment from them. They are just bloody shits, if you ask me. If something happens to those people who are connected to me, I will definitely raise my voice. Because we are living in a community. And if someone from the community cannot raise voice, he is nothing in your community. And this Bollywood community is bloody acting group of people who go to the award functions. Who has the award, they only dance, take the award and go home. All are fixed. If we have to watch that, we have to watch only for entertainment, and they are good for nothing. I repeat, they are not heroes or heroines. They are minus zeros, if you ask me. Less than zeros. That's my heart. Coming to my conclusion, I will go back to my opening statement of this lady who doesn't know who was our president or who was Sushant Singh Rajput. I'm okay if somebody don't know the answer. I teach law. If someone asks me some question, I may not be knowing the answer. I agree, I don't know. But if it is a recorded video, I will ask them to edit it. I will learn the answer, I give the answer, and then I will go on show. Especially if it is causing any kind of defamation to anyone else in this world. You have caused defamation to our president and then to Sushant Singh Rajput, but you have not edited. You, the person interviewed, both have not edited. That means you are doing it purposefully, you are doing it intentionally. Bloody cheap is your mind. And that's what you achieved finally. And today you got more than 1 crore dislikes. Don't think these are just dislikes. This is curse of every Indian person that you should not be any good for anything. You, the person who is interviewed you, or any other person who is participating in this particular entire agenda and who all is nude in this entire case, all of you are getting our curse, and it is not for any good. With that, I am concluding. Thank you so much.